breaking developments coming in. Fireworks in Delhi Assembly as expected on day one of the new session. A ruckus has started. 12 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs has been suspended so far for the day after high drama transpired. Amongst the suspended MLAs is also leader of opposition from the Aam Aadmi Party, former Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, has also been suspended. Remember, today is the day when Delhi LG was to address the assembly, and CAG reports some of the 14 pending reports had to be tabled today. And after high drama, multiple interruptions of LG's speech, now 12 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including leader of opposition in Delhi Assembly, Atishi, have been suspended. Listen in to Atishi.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की फोटो की जगह नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लगा दी है। मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में जहां बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर होती थी, अब नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लग गई है। विधानसभा के मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में जहां बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर होती थी, अब नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लग गई है। दिल्ली सरकार के मंत्रियों के कार्यालय में जहां बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर होती थी, वहां पर नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लग गई है। मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से ये पूछना चाहती हूं कि आपको लगता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर से बड़े हैं? मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से ये पूछना चाहती हूं, आपको इतना अहंकार हो गया है कि आपको लगता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की जगह ले सकते हैं? इसी के खिलाफ आम आदमी पार्टी ने प्रदर्शन किया और हम सदन से लेके सड़क तक इसके खिलाफ प्रदर्शन करते रहेंगे जब तक बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर उनकी जगह पर वापस नहीं लग जाती।
This has been a face-off that has been going on since yesterday, when Aam Aadmi Party first alleged that BJP had removed pictures of Bhagat Singh and Mahatma Gandhi, and now Atishi is re-leveling that allegation once again. BJP had yesterday retorted by questioning Sunita Kejriwal. Amit Malviya had posted earlier and said that Sunita Kejriwal was the one who had put her husband Arvind Kejriwal's picture right next to Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh's picture when he was in jail. If wasn't that an insult? BJP has also refuted since yesterday that any such removal of picture has taken place. The images that you see on your screens right now are of Aam Aadmi Party MLAs who are protesting on that matter. You can see them holding pictures of Baba Saheb Ambedkar in their hands as they stage that protest, alleging insult of legends Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh by the BJP. My colleagues are joining us from outside the assembly. Isha, what's the latest?
Right, Priya, showing you around here the visuals right now. You can see high drama here. Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are currently sitting on a dharna. This is being led by the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi. She is here, she's sitting, and so are the other MLAs. You can see here all of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs have arrived here, and they are carrying placards as well. We'll open this up, have a conversation with them. Sir, क्या नाम है?
विशेष रवि।
सर, क्या हुआ अंदर? आपका सस्पेंशन हुआ, क्या बोल के हुआ?
देखिए, कल मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय जो विधानसभा के अंदर है, उसमें मुख्यमंत्री जी के कार्यालय में से बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर और
लेकिन रेखा गुप्ता जी ने तो बुलाया सारे कैमरामैन को और दिखाया कि अभी भी फोटो लगी हुई है। सर, बोला क्या? So, Priya, questions about Rekha Gupta's and the fact that the photo is still here they haven't been able to answer that, but you can see here high drama erupting here in the first row. You can see Atishi sitting here. Request my camera person Tanveer to also show the visuals here. You can see high drama, and this was then when the LG was delivering his speech, when the LG was talking. That is when this high drama protest took place. In fact, these MLAs have been suspended now for the entire day, and currently can see a very cinematic. They have chosen the spot here. They are sitting right beneath the statue of B.R. Ambedkar here at the Vidhan Sabha, and you can see here a lot of
Very
drama
high
also
on
erupting
symbolism.
here.
That is what Aam Aadmi Party is banking on. Mohit, yesterday it was where are 2,500 rupees that were promised for women. Today it is the allegations around removal of posters and pictures of Babasaheb Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh. Given the fact that a lot of spotlight today is going to be today as well as tomorrow is going to be on the CAG reports that are to be tabled, do you think this is a deliberate strategy by Aam Aadmi Party to deflect the attention away from those very, very crucial questions that are being asked of the Aam Aadmi Party's previous dispensation? Because it doesn't make much sense for them to be questioning the government on a day when a swearing in has taken place for not fulfilling the promises that they had made before elections.
Well, Priya, in fact, as you rightly pointed out, this is the strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party, that they will be protesting, they will be raising questions, and ruckus, it seems, is the strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party. But look at these visuals, Priya. Now, these contrasting visuals, on one hand, you have the convoy, the carcade of LG, which will leave shortly from the assembly. His address is over, and in his address, he talked about the vision of his government, and also he talked about that how exactly the previous government was a corrupt government and how exactly their corrupt policies will be corrected here. Now, on one hand, you see on my right is the convoy of LG, who will be leaving shortly from here. On my left side, I'll ask my camera person to come over here and show that these are the visuals from the park where inside the assembly, where the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are protesting, because they say that how exactly they were marshaled out because they were protesting during the LG's address. We saw that how they were raising slogans. The slogans of Jai Bhim were being raised. But as you rightly pointed out, this seems to be the strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party, because Aam Aadmi Party would want to be relevant when it comes to the politics in Delhi, and perhaps that is why we saw yesterday that how Rekha Gupta, while she was sitting in her cabin, we saw Atishi with all her MLAs barging into the cabin and raising questions that why exactly the portraits of B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh were removed from the CM office. But that was not the case, and the BJP clearly stated that the portraits were still there, but Aam Aadmi Party is indulging in politics. On my other side, you can see that how, as Isha was reporting, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are protesting just beside the statue of Babasaheb Ambedkar, which is there at the front lawn of the assembly. So these are very contrasting images that are coming out. On one hand, you have LG, who will be leaving. So clearly today is the big day where the CAG reports will be tabled, and Priya, the all-important the audit report on the liquor policy will be tabled today. We know for a fact that how there are several discrepancies in that particular liquor policy, that how private vendors were being benefited in that particular policy, how the money that was earned during that particular policy was used by the Aam Aadmi Party in Goa election. That had been the allegation of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and in run up to the election, these issues were main issues. So shortly from now, we will see the BJP MLAs, the ministers will also coming out. We'll get their reaction on live. But these are the visuals.
As we wait for that to happen, let's play out for our viewers the reactions coming in. First reactions from Aam Aadmi Party legislators. There, Gopal Rai, listen in.
देखिए, सीएजी रिपोर्ट का स्वागत है, टेबल करें, उसके बाद सारी सच्चाई सामने आ जाएगी। हम भी चाहते हैं कि रिपोर्ट सामने आए और सच्चाई सबके सामने आए, लेकिन जिस तरह से उन्होंने कल सदन की शुरुआत की और जिस तरह से हमारे दो राष्ट्र नायकों बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव का फोटो हटाया गया, भगत सिंह जी का फोटो हटाया गया, उससे साफ दर्शा रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मंशा क्या है।
आप लोग की क्या रणनीति रहेगी सीएजी रिपोर्ट सामने आने के बाद?
अभी टेबल होने दीजिए, फिर अपनी बात रखेंगे।
All right, BJP has repeatedly said that no such removal of pictures took place. There were also face-offs that played out the whole of yesterday, where images were put out by both sides to support their allegations. There were also counters made to that, Isha, but Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, when you ask them about the fact that those images are very much there, didn't really have any clear answers.
Right, Priya. So we asked a couple of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. We also asked Jarnail Singh, and again there was no answer. There was only whataboutery. He said that, "Come, I will show you. I will take you to the Rekha Gupta's, the Delhi Chief Minister's cabin, and we will show you that B.R. Ambedkar's photo has been removed." But again, the question that comes to the fore is that when Rekha Gupta, the Delhi Chief Minister, has clarified time and again that photos were not removed, they were only shuffled around. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party raising an objection to that extent is the question that the BJP is asking. The Aam Aadmi Party has not once but time and again mentioned that the BJP is anti-Dalit and anti-Sikh as well. But currently as we speak, showing you around here, the visuals, cutting right through the visuals, you can see here that several Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including the LOP Atishi, are sitting right beneath the statue of B.R. Ambedkar. You can see here they are sitting. We'll open this up, have a conversation. सर, आप लोगों को निकाला गया, लेकिन एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है। रेखा गुप्ता जी ने तो कहा कि वहाँ पे फोटोज लगी हुई हैं, तो फिर प्रोटेस्ट किस बात का?
गलत बात कर रहे हैं वो। कोई फोटोज नहीं थी वहाँ पर। और देखिए, संविधान निर्माता जिनकी वजह से आज देश चल रहा है, पार्लियामेंट चलता है, विधानसभा चलती है, उनकी तस्वीर वहाँ से हटाने का काम किया। ये देश को, इन्हीं पूरी दुनिया को जवाब देना पड़ेगा। देखिए वो सारे गल, मगर हम तो कल हमने देखा तो बड़ा दर्द हुआ। पूरी कम्युनिटी को, पूरे देश, पूरी दुनिया में जो हर वर्ग को कहीं ना कहीं इससे पीड़ा पहुंची है कि संविधान निर्माता के जिस प्रकार से हटाने का काम किया, उसका जवाब देना होगा कि क्यों हटाया।
Right again. So, Priya, the question that the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are raising is that why were the photos removed? When asked the question about the CAG reports, again the same answer that came in was that we are speaking about B.R. Ambedkar. As we speak, protest is currently underway right beneath the statue of B.R. Ambedkar. Back to you.
Right. We'll keep tracking these developments, but as of now, it looks like Aam Aadmi Party has clearly devised a strategy to take attention away from the CAG reports that are to be tabled. Significantly, the one on Liquorgate policy is slated to be presented in front of the Assembly today itself. Times Now will keep tracking all those developments, taking a very quick break right now.